Hey YouTube, this is Steve's Trade, and today we have another BCBM from eBay. Alright, and we are joined by Butterfly in the jar. Come on, wake up, Butterfly. Alright, let's move on to the box. There you go, it's a pretty big box. I might do, I don't know, 2-part or 3 parts, might be even 4 parts. So let's see how it goes. Trash bag again, bunch of trash bag. I think that's it. Alright. Sorry guys. Make sure everything's in view. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have two right off the bat, 3 hollow foils. We have a Scyther first edition. My bad, my throat itches. Second is a Kangaskhan first edition, and a Magnemite first edition. And not too sure what's in here. Let's just grab a stack and take a look, shall we? We got Pinsir, Victory Bell again, Kangaskhan. So it looks like a lot of doubles. Snorlax, Butterfree, Magnemite again, Houndoom, Umbreon, Beedrill, Butterfree, Wobbuffet, Houndour, Unknown A again, Poliwrath, Hitmontop, Vaporeon, a bunch of Vaporeons, Pidgeot, Lieutenant Surge, Erica, bunch of Blang, Light Champ, Pinsir. There's a lot of rare cards, I guess. I don't know if got a lot of trainers here. Energy. You know what? I'm just gonna grab this out, and I'm gonna make a part 2 video where I'm gonna have all the cards out here, pre-sorted. You know, energy and trainers sorted out, you know, by themselves. The rares, like this, you know, shadowless by themselves, uncommon and common by themselves as well. So and then interesting. Yeah, we got some newer Rune series cards. So yeah, I'm gonna sort them out, and I'll be back in part 2. This is just 2 boxes. Well, actually, you know, before we go, let's see what's in here. Just wanna take a quick look. Right off the bat, we have another 3 hollow foils. Oh no, actually just 2, I guess. Got Beedrill. I think this is German, right? KP is German. First edition. Another German, Zapdos. First edition. Blastoise. American English. Unlimited. Anyways, I will do a part 2. Before I do that, though, I'm gonna have everything sorted out. You know, everything sorted out, like I said. Energy trainers, uncommon and common, the air cards. If there are any fake cards, I will do that as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2.